The Light-Year Interactive Calculator solves distance conversions, travel time calculations, and relativistic effects for astronomical distances. Let's look at the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include convert distance to light years, convert light years to distance, travel time at given speed, required speed for travel time, apparent distance relativistic, and look-back time and redshift. I'm using convert distance to light years. Next, choose your distance unit from kilometers, meters, miles, astronomical units, or parsecs. I'll select kilometers. The output unit dropdown has the same options, and I'll keep it as kilometers. Now enter your distance value. I'm using 40,000, 208,000 kilometers. Click Calculate to see your results. The calculator shows light years, 4.249989 e plus 0, which means 4.25 light years. The light travel time is 4.2500 years, confirming how long light takes to cross this distance. The distance displays as 4.0208 e plus 113 kilometers, which matches our input in scientific notation. In parsecs, this equals 1.3031 e plus 0 parsecs. The context section provides additional perspective. This distance equals 268,800 astronomical units, and light requires 1,552.31 days to travel this far. This tool streamlines complex astronomical calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.